I just remembered that this mic exists, so this might become an ASMR channel, you know. I don't have nails. Anyways, so this video was requested by some random dude. I don't know. Apparently this is a thing where some dude asks you for to make this. I don't know why, but it was fun. I have fun. Thank you for watching. So yeah, animations, if any, might be kind of small lately. I'm working on a pretty big project. I am taking requests, but I'll only do them if I think it's fun. Mwah. Thank you for watching.